I've had a hard time growing my lemon tree. Recently, I noticed ants all over it and something on the branches and leaves. Can you help me identify what is going on? And this is Faye in Brighton, Tennessee, not too far from your neck of the woods, right?
That's right.
All right, so what do we think that is?
Oh,
on the leaves?
I'm afraid that's scale.
That's scale.
I'm sorry to say, because scale is hard to control.
Oh, it's very
especially on an inside plant. But you can rub it because it's a lemon tree and she wants to eat the lemon. So I would rub it with maybe some alcohol to try to get the scale up because there's a hard coating on that scale. So you're going to have to rub on that. And then of course you can also use neem oil on it to kind of suffocate them as best possible. But you're going to have to keep up with it until you don't see any more. And as soon as you see them, it would be best to try to rub them off because they're not going to have that hard scale formed quite yet.
Right. So definitely scales, yes. I would use what you recommended. Definitely the neem oil. Any of your oils, horticulture oil could be used as well. Read and follow the label. They will smother, of course, those scales, but I would do that as soon as possible.
As soon as
Right,
possible.
because you want to enjoy those lemons, and you have to understand that these scales have piercing, sucky mouth parts.
Yes.
Right? So they're actually feeding on that tree. So you definitely want to get rid of those scales. So your oils are something that I would definitely recommend.
Of course, ants aren't not too good either, but the ants are actually where they farm.
They're farming the scales for the honeydew, right?
They're excrement.
Yes. Nature's something else.
It really is.
Ants are farming the scales for the honeydew.
A lot of times ants are a sign of something else that's wrong.
Exactly
so just beware.
Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.